Wood fence cracking? Here's how to stop the damage before it ruins your investment. Wood expands and contracts with changes in temperature and moisture. Over time, this movement causes stress that leads to cracking, splitting, and eventually decay. Moisture is the #1 enemy of wooden fences. Unsealed wood absorbs rain, dew, and snow. As it dries out, it shrinks, causing surface and structural cracks. Apply a high-quality water-repellent sealant every 2 to 3 years. Prolonged sun exposure breaks down lignin in the wood, leading to dry, brittle boards. This makes the wood more prone to cracking and splintering. Use a pigmented stain or UV-blocking sealant to extend its lifespan. Fence cleaning isn't just for appearance. Dirt and organic material trap moisture and feed fungi that weaken wood fibers. Use a fence cleaner or diluted bleach solution to clean the surface annually. Vegetation that touches your fence holds in water and creates constant dampness. Keep bushes and vines trimmed back and ensure there's airflow. Don't pile soil or mulch directly against the wood. An annual inspection helps catch cracks early. Fill small splits with exterior wood filler and restain the repaired area. Early intervention keeps structural damage from spreading and prevents full board replacements. Cedar and redwood are naturally rot-resistant and handle moisture better than untreated pine. Pressure-treated wood is cheaper, but it's more prone to drying cracks if not sealed properly. Horizontal rails too far apart? Boards too tight? Poor airflow and pressure points lead to cracking. Proper spacing allows expansion and contraction. Sloped bottoms help with drainage too. Taking care of your wood fence doesn't have to be a hassle. For expert help and peace of mind, call 781-767-3596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com today.